On June 9th, we held a Dutch oven gathering at the historic Old Sturbridge Village in Sturbridge, Mass. We set up next to the central meeting house on the west side of the museum. Sturbridge Village is an outdoor living history museum situated on more than 200 acres. It's a sort of live time capsule of a small New England village that was stashed away in 1830. Costume staff complete the experience as farmers and artisans from the time period. With more than 40 historic buildings, heritage animals, homes, it's a great place to experience history. Each day, costume interpreters at Old Sturbridge Village demonstrate 19th century cooking using 19th century techniques, oftentimes using a bake oven on a hearth. Throughout the day, we demonstrated the modern day equivalent of kettle cooking. It was a blast talking to visitors of the museum as well as connecting with friends from previous dogs. Really, the only thing better than the food was the people and friendships. The day saw a total of 17 dishes made, and we visited with guests from the museum from as far away as Germany. The staff, led by our friend Ruth, were amazing, and over 30 of us shared in the meal at the end, potluck style, and I can attest each and every morsel was amazing. A chicken in every pot, and even if it doesn't fit, we'll make it fit. Not a problem. Man, that looked tasty, and it was. Cooked to perfection. Here's a duck that was roasting throughout the day. Mike here was an overachiever. He made a grape nut pudding, as well as a duck, and these amazing tasty beans. This cookbook was amazing, everything at his fingertips. Here's some beef flank steak that I stuffed with prosciutto and cheese. It came out rather well, if I do say so. Chris is making the pizza, an all-time favorite, Grubmaster's viewers. Hi, fellas. Dutch Oven Master Carl, what have you got cooking for us? Oh, what's that? Your amazing pulled pork impregnated with garlic? Little ravioli lasagna. Hans made this. It was excellent, excellent. Got dough? The pizza. Chris is applying his sauce. Oh yeah. Moosh moosh. Mountain of cheese. Oh baby. Took 4 spatulas to lift this out without breaking. It was dense. Yeah, he's proud. Tom and Deb relaxing, taking in all those smells. Bread pudding with raisins and without. Carl's pineapple upside down cake. Dog's not complete without it. Monkey bread.
So a big thank you to everybody for coming today. We just wanted to say that before we got going. This is a great opportunity to meet new people and share ideas and have fun. Thanks again, and dig in and enjoy and get to know each other as we break bread together with dinner. Thank you.
I think we all have to thank you guys for putting this on.
Absolutely.
I think we have to
Carl did.
inviting us people to come and enjoy.
Ravioli lasagna.
Yep.
Tom's Dublin Coddle. Delicious. It's nice baked bread. Pulled pork, there's that pineapple upside down cake. Fit for a king. Deb's amazing chocolate marshmallow cake. Pumpkin gooey butter cake, amazing. Those are my little roulades of flank steak stuffed with cheese and prosciutto. Cornish hens. That's the bread pudding without and with raisins with the whiskey cream sauce. Roast veggies and chicken. Mike's roast duck, and beans. An amazing day with amazing friends at an amazing place. Special thank you to Old Sturbridge Village for hosting us. Now, get out there and cook.